In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Facebook app if it keeps crashing or closing by itself. The first thing you want to do is check your phone's available storage. For that, launch open Settings on your device. Now scroll down and get to Device Care. Here, find the option of storage, tap on that. Make sure that you have enough space on your device here. If your storage is nearly full, delete unused apps, large files or videos to free up space, and then try opening Facebook. Next, you want to clear the Facebook's app cache. For that, long press on the Facebook app. Now tap on the app info icon. Once you get here, tap on storage. Here, tap on the clear cache option. Now head back. Then tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. Now open Facebook and check if your problem has been fixed. Now check if the app has any pending updates. For that, go to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar. Now search for Facebook. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. If the issue continues, you can uninstall the application, then reinstall it as well. Next, you want to make sure that you have updated software in your device. Then restart your device. After restarting, open Facebook and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.